Jai Shri Mankal Jai Baba Sahib. I welcome you to our YouTube channel, Baba Sahib's Aromatherapy. Greetings of the day to one and all. In this video, we are going to deal with uses of Shamama Itra. Shamama, as you are aware of, is mixture of plenty of herbs, shrubs, spices. The natural essence of Indian spices like cinnamon, clove, cardamom, and aniseed is a main component of shamama. I repeat, the natural essence of Indian spices like cinnamon, clove, cardamom, and aniseed is the main component of shamama. The spicy essence is blended with the exhaustive wood concoction of natural oud. Rather, oud in natural state is mixed with or blended with these spices. During the shamama manufacturing process, foam, grass, and mitti, that is ceramic clay, are distilled in large quantities for a total of 20 days, enriching the essential oil every step of the way. I repeat, during the shamama manufacturing process, foam, grass, and mitti, which is ceramic clay, are distilled in large quantities for a total of 20 days, enriching the essential oils every step of the way. Finally, the oil is mixed with an infusion of cardamom, saffron, and cinnamon, and with essential oils of rose, kewra, and oud. Shamama Attar oil comprises spicy, herbaceous, woody, saffronish aroma, that is rare or oriental type. The fragrance is known for its heat including quality. I repeat, the fragrance of shamama is known for its heat inducing qualities and is used on quilts during winters to provide extra warmth. This is an important use which you should keep in mind at the time of winter in the higher altitudes. When the mountaineers they move, they use this itr, that is shamama itr, and they spray it over their quilts to prevent them from the cold. I repeat, the fragrance of shamama is known for its heat inducing qualities and is used on quilts during winter to provide extra warmth. However, if it is inhaled during summer, it can lead to nasal uh, abruption. Lucknow is the house of Shamama, or rather, the mother place to manufacture Shamama, or rather, Lucknow only gave Shamama to the fragrance world. Lucknow is the house of Shamama, which have various medicinal values. Its ether is known for its heat producing quality and delight at night. It helps in various medical, skin, and hair problems. Hair fall can be prevented with the help of use of shamama. So, maximum of the oils which are uh, curing the hair fall, they add shamama into coconut oil or the other hair oils. It revitalizes the growth of new skin and cell tissues. So, shamama is used after the chemotherapy and even the radiation therapy. Shamama revitalizes the growth of new skin and cell tissues while refreshing the skin. This amazing Itra is an agent that helps to treat problems such as impotence and libido. Now, how to evaluate Itra is very important. So, there are three critical aspects for purchasing Shamama Itra. First, the quality and purity. Since it is only available from Uttar Pradesh, that is, it's manufactured in Kannauj. So, there is plenty of check to be done on the quality and purity. Since this is a long process, as I have stated, so there are plenty of vendors who complete this process in 4 or 5 days so that they can have more of the profit. Then, next is depth and elegance. The depth of each and every aroma which comes from the different spices, herbs, fragrances like rose and oud, they should be elegant and they should have a depth, means they should have a effect, or rather in other words we can say they should have a good counter time. Next is safety in application and use. Since these are all the eatable substances, so if anything which is mixed as synthetic material, that will be difficult to use it. Shamama Itra, which are natural essence, are precious, expensive, and rare. They are alive and are very quickly absorbed by the skin. Longevity is an issue with natural fragrance of Shamama. After a few minutes of wearing them, one cannot smell them anymore because you get accustomed to the smell of Shamama. And it has 127 different types of ingredients which give different smell at any spur of time. However, they are still there and other people do smell them. Shamama Itra prepared by pure extracts of flowers, that is rose and oud, infused in sandalwood oil, is an ideal Itra of Shamama. No good fragrances can be prepared without some quantity of naturals, while fragrances can be obtained without natural substances like synthetic materials, which are alcohol, preservatives, and chemical additives. In the world of fragrances, product of Shamama are called noble. This is pronounced that Attar, they are superior of Shamama over all others. So whatever questions you have, you just mail them on the email ID provided in this video. Two IDs are there. You just mail them. We'll see and answer you. So thanks a lot for listening to this uses of Shamama Itra. We'll be coming with the new video in the next portion. So till that time, take care of yourself. Bye. Jai Shri Mahankal, Jai Baba Sahib.